Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can share screen with audio in Messenger. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Messenger has recently updated the feature and now you're able to share screen with audio in Messenger while you're still on call. So what you can do is, in order to share screen with audio in Messenger, you need to log in into your Messenger account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the chat page of the person that you want to share screen with. And after you tap on the chat page, next interface you need to video call them. So after that, when you're directed to the calling interface, next thing what you need to do is swipe up, and as soon as you swipe up, you have this kind of interface, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as share your screen. Once you enable this option, you'll be able to share your screen with audio in Messenger, and the other person will also be able to see your screen or your activity on your device. So that is how you can share your screen with audio in Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.